kitchen remodels. You want to keep it light on your remodel here, especially if you're concerned about getting the highest ROI. So avoid a full gut job. Let's not tear out all the cabinets and counters and do all that. Instead, what you can focus on is refacing cabinets. And you can hire some handyman or contractors to come through, take off the cabinet doors, refinish them, sand them down, paint them. There are things you can do to really refinish and refresh your kitchen without having to spend all the money of doing a full-on replacement.